We are going to finish the last, we're going to do the last chapter this week, chapter 20, which means next week we're going to have the final exam. So it's going to be in person during the lab time, so it'll be May 6th, normal, Wednesday, 11 a.m. We'll meet in the classroom. You'll have the full 2 hours. You'll want to make a calculator, scientific calculator, no graphing calculators, just like we've seen previously. There'll be a periodic table and useful information provided with the test. I will note the useful information is going to be everything that all the useful informations we've had throughout the semester. So plus stuff for chapter 21 and 20. So it's like 10 pages because like there's going to be another table. There's like all the tables you've had before of like acid dissociation constants, reduction half reactions, thermodynamic values, KSP values. Right now we have half-lives from chapter 21. So I really encourage you to take a look at the useful information that's posted on Blackboard because it's a lot. And you want to get comfortable like using it during the test and also just like being aware of just how much there is and not getting kind of thrown by how much it is. There is a review in the final exam folder on Blackboard that you can do for 3 points. I encourage you to take a look at it. The exam is going to cover everything so that we've covered, including chapter 20 and 21 that was after exam 3. And so one of the things is, the test is the final exam is only 2 hours long, and the other the exam is only 2 hours long, and all the other exams were 2 hours long. But it can't be at the same level because you took 2 or 3 3-hour tests, and then we've done material since then. Or 3 2-hour tests, sorry. It's not like this is a 7-hour final exam where it would cover all the same material. Like it could have all of the exam questions. Instead, it has to be a lot more focused. And so, when you're looking at topics, I really encourage you to look back at the other exams and see like what were the most relevant topics? What were the things that showed up multiple times? Any topics that weren't on tests or were like maybe 1 or 2 questions on it, 1 question on 1 test, much less likely to show up as opposed to like a topic that was like multiple questions on multiple tests, right? Like equilibrium constants. There's definitely going to be a topic you're going to need to know. What aspect of equilibrium constants? I'm not sure because there's a lot of it. But chemical equilibrium, right? We had a chapter about it and then we kept talking about it in chapter 14, 15, 16, 17. So, over and over again, we've been discussing it. So if you have any questions about reviewing for the final exam, let me know. Otherwise, yeah, the review, certainly take a look at that. And the other exams, I think, would be a really good place to start. But before we can do that, we got to finish week 15. So we got normal participations and the homework for this week. Then also in lab this week, we'll have the chapter 21 participation quiz and the lab practical. If you have any questions or anything, let me know. Otherwise, welcome to week 15. I'll see you in the videos.